Uh, I am Dr. Lynne, and I'm currently the Dean of Graduate and Professional Studies at Celli University, as you can see in my background. And I'm currently the president of TERA, Eurasia, and I've been involved for multiple years with the organization as a participant, as a speaker, as a keynote speaker, and as the president. And I'm very proud of the organization because it brings people from all over the world globally together to talk about issues that affect higher education and other areas in education and other areas, nonprofits, etc. And we talk about issues and successes, and together we can make it better and make it always be improving. And I always say ever evolving. COVID was very difficult for all of us. And being in administration, I had to assist faculty in an immediate way to pivot from a face-to-face delivery of classroom time to electronic and Zoom and so forth. Many of these faculty members had no idea about the Zoom platform or any other learning delivery modules, the way that they could be delivered. So the administration really had to step in and pivot quickly. And I think overall, and talking to my colleagues across the globe, I feel like they did a wonderful job doing that. I have to say, I don't think it was the same for the students, which is sad. Preschool all the way up through PhD, I think it was difficult. I think it was less difficult for graduate students in master's and doctoral programs because many of those were already online. So there wasn't much of a pivot. But I'm going to say pre-K through the baccalaureate was very difficult, and teachers and administrators were amazing. And I do think our students that lived through that need extra attention, and the research is bearing that out right now. And that's our jobs to try to find ways to make sure that we fill those gaps. I'm going to be very honest. I'm a people person. I'm a relationship person. I thrive on making real eye contact and making real connections with people. I much prefer an on-the-ground conference, a face-to-face conference. I did the keynote for this organization in London last April. I'm doing it again in London. I'm making that commitment to make that trip because I so deeply believe in the relationships and the bonds that are formed, as well as just during the conference, getting to know people and seeing different perspectives rather than just seeing it on a screen. Encourage them to attend a Eurasia conference in general, because I believe in the organization. I'm president of the organization right now. I would encourage them to attend. If they couldn't attend in person for financial or schedule or whatever reason, I would encourage them to attend, but I would encourage them to attend in person first, but always, and I continue to do that, encourage them to attend. Nothing but good things to say about the conference pre-COVID, and last year I did not attend an online conference, so I can't comment on that during COVID, but I can comment on pre-COVID and my experience last year in London. I truly find that the way it's organized in groups and the group work that goes on is different than just to sit and listen, which is what attracted me and why I said yes to becoming president. It's organized in a way where it encourages that collegiality and that sharing of ideas and that sharing not only of the research that you present, but in small groups to broaden that discussion. So the way the conference is organized is well done. Often I can't stay for the whole time because of my busy schedule, but I do stay for the one day that I keynote, and the participation is phenomenal. And other conferences that I've attended, as well as done keynotes, as well as done breakout sessions, they don't organize them that way. Yeah. I organize my breakout sessions and keynotes in other organizations that way, because I feel from my learning styles research that I've done and published on, it's the best way people learn.